Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. Today's session is just 10 minutes with a 2-minute warm-up, 6 minutes of focused squat intervals, and a 2-minute cool down. We're starting simple, building strength and getting used to the vibration movement. Let's begin. Step on your vibration plate and find your balance. Feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Keep your core tight and posture tall. Let your body adjust to the vibration. Feel it working through your legs and core. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Now shift your weight slightly from side to side. Great. You're waking up those muscles and getting grounded. Stay here, relax your shoulders, and let the plate do its work. You're prepping your body for the first round of squats intervals. We're just letting your body adjust to the vibration right now. Now you might feel a gentle buzz through your legs and core. That's your muscles waking up and getting ready to work. In just a moment, we'll begin our first squat set. Short, controlled, and powerful. Use this time to center your focus and set your intention for today's workout. You're not just moving, you're building consistency. Alright, time to get moving. Find your stance, take a deep breath, and get ready. We're starting our first set of squats in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now 8 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now take a rest. Stand tall and shake it out. Catch your breath. Nice job. Be sure to check your form. Feet are still shoulder width apart, core tight, and chest lifted. That's 1 round down. You're off to a strong start. You're already activating muscles you didn't even know you had. Keep it up. Remember, the plate is doing part of the work, but you control the intensity. This is where the results come from. Short effort, short rest, repeat. Up next is the same pattern. 4 squats, 20 pulses, then 8 squats. Round 2 is coming up shortly, so stay focused and push a little deeper this time. If your legs are burning, that's a good sign. It means the vibration plate is activating those stabilizers. You're halfway through the main workout already, so keep that energy. All right, shake it out. We're going in. Get ready for round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now 8 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, break time. Nice work. You're powering through this challenge like a champ. Feel that burn? That's your strength building with every rep. Shake it out a little and keep those legs loose. And remember why you started. You've only got 1 more round to go. Let's finish this strong. Take this time to breathe. You've already crushed 2 rounds and your body is getting stronger with every pulse and squat. Let that vibration plate do its work. It's activating your muscles even while you're at rest. If you're new to vibration training, this is where consistency pays off. It's not just about squats, it's about building endurance, balance, and control. Keep your shoulders back, loosen your legs, and reset your focus. This last interval is where you're going to push through this challenge. You got this. Stay with me. Keep the energy up and get ready for your final round. Let's finish strong. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be here tomorrow for day number 2. Let's finish this. You guys are doing awesome. Make sure you always take a little time for yourself every day. All right, our final round is coming up. You know what to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 squats. Perfect form. 20 pulses. Feel that burn and stay with it. You got this. All right, 8 squats. Finish strong. All right, and rest. You did it. You've completed 3 intervals of the squat challenge. What a fantastic effort. Go ahead and give yourself a hand for showing up for yourself today. Great job today. You made it through day 1 of the 30-day squat challenge. Now as we cool down, just stand tall on the plate and let the vibration help release the tension in your legs and glutes. Take a few slow deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the energy still buzzing through your muscles. That's your body getting stronger. If your legs feel a little shaky, that's totally normal. That's your muscles adapting to the vibration work. Every day you'll notice more balance, more control, and more confidence. Stay here. Let the vibration plate do the recovery work for you. Imagine that soreness melting away and the strength taking its place. You showed up today, you put in the work, and you finished strong. Be proud of yourself. This is how progress begins. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Don't forget to hydrate, stretch a little if you need it, and drop a comment letting me know how you felt after day 1. You're building power 1 squat at a time. Thank you for joining into the squat challenge, and we'll see you tomorrow. Congratulations on making it to the end. Give yourself a hand. See you tomorrow.